Guys, Facebook is dead. Everyone abandoned Facebook. Join the movement and delete your Facebook. That's what people are saying, right? Well, I hope they do. You know why? Because I got some secret tactics that I've been using. And, well, let's just say that the more people that delete their Facebook or don't want to run ads on Facebook, that means more money for me. So I'm going to share some of my tactics with you here today. So Facebook's been saying, like, hey, we're running out of places. We're running out of places to put ads in the news feed. What's this? Facebook space running out. Uh-oh. What does that mean? Price increases, right? Right? What do we see? Prices increase? Why should oh, prices increase January 26th. Well, stocks went down. The Cambridge Analytica thing came out. That's good for us, right? Mark Zuckerberg, I don't know, what's he talking about? Higher prices. This is March 7th. So, I have a strategy, $1 a day video ad strategy that I'm going to teach you how to make money with Facebook, how to do it for your clients, how to do it for yourself, how to get leads, how to get new customers, how to get over 500,000 impressions for $30. That's what we're going to teach you. Feel free to check out the page here and get started with us today, because this is some information that I've been using secretly, privately, with some of my clients and just testing it out with some campaigns and getting results. So that's what the key is. So we're going to spend $1 a day to learn how to do it, though. That's the key. There's some ninja stuff that I haven't seen anyone talk about. So I'm excited to share this with you. I've been doing Facebook ads since the inception of Facebook ads came out. So I'm always about lowering my ad costs and getting results, getting ROI. So go ahead, check us out and get started. Sign up.